In this video, we will learn how to apply jobs in Workday app. To apply for jobs through the Workday app, follow these steps. First, open the Workday app on your mobile device and log in using your company credentials. Next, once you're logged in, tap on My Workday or Workday Home, depending on your company setup. Then, from the home page, look for Career or My Career section. The name may vary, but it's typically under this. After that, tap on Find Jobs or similar options, also may be labelled differently. You will also be directed to a page where you can search for jobs. You can filter by location, department, job category, or any keywords. After that, once you have applied for a job you are interested in, tap on the job title to see the full description and details. Apply for the job by tapping the Apply button. Usually, it's at the bottom of the job description. You might be asked to upload anything such as a cover letter or your resume, depending on the job requirements. Next, follow the prompts to complete your application. After submitting, you should receive a confirmation that your application has been received. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.